Sonny Fledge. I'm a proud papa.
Oh, Shadow. Sonny Fledge.
You did a good job raising the babies.
You did too, Papa Shadow. Sonny's coming. Sonny, come on. You can do it. She's coming. Move out of the way. She's coming. Guys, here she is. Hi, Sonny. Hi, Gizmo. Hi, Mom and Dad. I'm back. That was so much fun. Did you miss me? Oh, I'm so hungry. There's no place like home. That's my food, Sonny. You left the nest. That's mine. I'm hungry. Mom, I didn't have food last night. But he left the nest, so... Gobble, gobble, gobble. Thank you very much for saving me some. I don't know how to hunt yet, Gizmo. Just because I flew doesn't mean I know how to hunt yet. Well, it's my fish. Mom and Dad got it for me because you left. I had the place all to myself, and now you're back. Yeah, I'm back. Have a lovely day from Sir Herbert Snickies. Check out enchanting book readings on Apple or our channel on YouTube at Story Pals.